Hey guys, we're getting ready to roll out. We met up over here at Buc-ee's with Bailey, and we are headed back to CrossBar Ranch again. More fun times out there. We're gonna go camp tonight, do a little bit of night wheeling, test out this new axle, test out all the rock lights that we have.
Test out the new phone.
Yeah, the new phone, which she just got. Basically, we're just doing a shakedown before we go out to Hot Springs here in a week and a half or so. Just wanted somewhere a little bit closer to home. It's an hour and 39 minutes, about 111 miles. I don't know, something like that. If you guys want to figure out exactly where I live, if you don't already know, then that's fine. Come see me. Just make sure you bring me beer. We're gonna hit the road, and we'll see you again once we get to camp.
Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you guys click that subscription button, and also make sure you guys click the bell so that we can let you know whenever we drop new content.
Bye, see you at camp.
Once we set up camp and we got some food in our stomachs, we decided that night wheeling was definitely on the table for us. As previously mentioned, Josh had said that we were going to try and do some, and we definitely did. Fortunately, we had some more experience under our belts this time around at CrossBar Ranch as compared to our first time we were here. Now, if you haven't seen that night wheeling video, I highly recommend that you check it out. It was a vastly different experience compared to this one. For us, we had no idea what to expect at the park that last time around, and it was definitely white knuckling all along the trails. This time around, we decided to take it a little bit easy. We had somebody with us that had never gone off-roading in her rig before by herself, and so we did not want to have any big challenges put in front of her, especially at night. Both of our rigs had rock lights on them, so that was a very big advantage for the both of us. However, having somebody do off-roading trails their first time around at night, you definitely want to make sure that you're not doing anything that's a little too crazy. So we decided to go to Lookout Point. We've seen Lookout Point at CrossBar Ranch during the day, but we have not seen what it looks like at night, and so we were very excited to see what sort of look it would have as compared to during the day. During the day, you get to see as far as your eyes can see. It's really awesome. And so for us, we were very excited to get up to the top and to try to take some pictures with the new iPhone Pro Max that we had just purchased. And the photos turned out pretty awesome. It's a great spot if you are looking to try to get pictures of your rig, or if you have a time-lapse camera and you're able to set that thing up. It was a really awesome spot to get all of those pictures taken. Unfortunately, it was also extremely windy, so we didn't spend a whole lot of time up here, but what we did see and the time that we did spend up here was definitely worth the time that it took to get up there with her.
Okay, cool. I'm trying to figure out where we're going. Looks like we go right here.
That's what I was thinking.
Well, just remember, women are always right, so worst case scenario, make it right.
It's funny that you say that because we're going right here. Nope. She's like, thanks for blinding me. Yeah. This is the way. Maybe. Okay, we're gonna turn around again and go the other way, and we'll go by Dead Man Slide first and then Rock Face.
So where the people went with their ATVs?
No, the way that I was going the first time and I said turn around. We're gonna go the way I said to go the first time.
Not a problem.
Just trying to get you good in that reverse button.
Hold on, I didn't think Jeeps were supposed to have reverse.
He's freaking out because he's like, Dead Man Slide. It
sounds
scary.
We're gonna go look at it. We're not going on it.
He's like, I don't want to do it.
After a successful night of wheeling, we head back to camp to get a night's rest. In the next video, you'll see that we have another Jeep that joins us. We'll take on both Rockface and Dead Man Slide in that one. As always, we appreciate your support. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you click that notification bell. It lets you know when we drop content, which we do on a regular basis. And as always, we'll see you guys next time. Bye!